Ever feel like email is a mess? Let me show you how easy it is to use Gmail. So, Gmail is a free email service from Google that makes managing your messages super simple. You can send emails, organize them with labels, and even search for old messages in seconds. It's like having a superpower for your inbox. Let me walk you through the basics so you can get started. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use gmail.com. So I hope everything is doing well firstly, and let's get it started. All I have to do right now is just sign up or log into your email address and you'll find here this page as you can see. Of course you have an email because we use it in our life, that's why. And let's get it started right now. And the left we'll find here other options that could help you as you can see guys. And then you'll find in the top here we have support, settings, then we have a Google application, and we have also here my account. Then we have also here the calendar, keep, then we have also tasks, contact, and we have if you want to get add-ons, you click over it and you get started. So we have firstly the button in the top left, compose. I will just click over here to get started. So I will send an email, for example. I will firstly here add an email. So for example, this email, and here we have it right now. Then we have here the subject as you can see. Here we have, for example, asking for advices, for example. Then we have here you can back and you start adding, for example, hey, or hey, I hope everything's doing well. Everything's doing well, for example. And here we have it right now. You have just here you find, as you can see, we'll find it here is completed by Gmail, and then we find if we have just to modify here the word and you want to put other options or other characters such as here this one, just to click over here and select the one you want, for example white as well. Then we have here also this one. You can also here make it huge, and also if you want to here make it large, if you want to make it normal, then if you mark it small as well, then if you want to here bold, you click over here and we have also here italic in the line. Then we have here also the color. You have just to select this one, and about if you want to hear the color with the background, for example I want here the yellow background, and with about the color we have here, for example we'll select this one and here we have how it looks. All right, then we have also here if you want to alignment, if you want to, for example this one or this one or the first one. Then we have here also numbered list, but bolded list, and then we have here ended list, and then we have here also ended more, and then we have also here code, right to left, strike. Here we have the strike though. Then we have also here remove reformatting. Then we have also if you want to send, you click over here and start sending this one. We have schedule send if you want, and then we have also here formatting options. If you want to also attach files, then we have here insert link, and if you want to insert emoji as well. Then we have also here insert files using drive. If you want to insert photos, and then we have here toggle confidential mode. Then we have also here for an insert signature, and the last one we find here default to full screen, and we have label if you want to here label as social, label as updates or as a forms, and also we have promotions if you want to start, create new or manage labels. Then we have also here plain text mode, print, check spelling, and set up a time to meet. You click over here and start here the meeting. All right, so that's it for this one. Right now if you want to hear the letter, you click over here. If you want to send it and share it, you click over here. So we'll delete this one and just move into the next one, and let's move into those options that could help you on Gmail. So we have here, for example, inbox, and we have also here start, snows, sent, then we have draft, and then we have here more, such as we have here less, import, then we have here chats, scheduled, and we have also here all mail, spam, You find here also trash categories. You'll find here social updates. Then we have here forums, promotions, manage labels. You click over here to create new label by adding here those things. For example, I will add here, for example, something, and I will click over create, and here we have our labels is creating right now. Then we have also your managed labels, as you can see. So we have just to go to the settings right now. Let's just come back here to the inbox, and I will just click over here to verify the settings like that. So about the settings, you will find it like that. We have general labels, inbox, accounts and import. Then we have your filters and blocked addresses, forwarding and pop a map, and then we have here add-ons. About the first one, we find here general. We have here short and mid, and if you scroll down, we find here various things. As you can see, we have your smart reply, smart features and personalization. We have your smart features and personalization, other Google products, and other things. As you can see, we have here various things. You can just here modify it as you want. All right. Then we have here also labels. If you want to create a new label, look over here and you get started and you create your label. Then we have an inbox. Then we have also accounts and import. As you can see, we have filters and blocked addresses. Here we have the following filters are applied to all incoming mail. Right, then we have also here forwarding. If you want to create a new filter, you click over here, and then we have it right now forwarding and pop-up. Just here pop download forwarding IMAP access. Then we have here add-ons such as install add-ons manage, and we have here install developer add-ons. Right, so that's it for this one. And right now let's just come back to Gmail. So on the right you will find here other options such as here we have calendar. You click over it and just start here the calendar if you want. And here we have welcome to calendar. Simplify calendar next to your favorite Google Workspace application. And right now we have also here other things. For example, you'll find here your account, and then we have here the cap. As you can see, if you want to take a note and you get started by adding a note. Then we have here also tasks. Add tasks. Then we have also here contacts, and then we have here for get add-ons. Alright, so this is for this one, and that's it for Gmail. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it, and honestly it makes email way easier. Don't stress if it feels a little confusing at first. I am here if you need help. Just give it a try and soon you will be cruising through your inbox like a pro. So this is how it works with mail.google.com. You can just get started right now and modify it here the settings, and you have to click over compose and you benefit with this quality of the new Gmail. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.